Let me start this off by saying this summer has been very all over the place. And I haven't filmed as much for the month of August as I should have. So I compiled all the videos that I did get from August that were never put into a specific category of a video. And I put them into this video, enjoying my last couple days of summer before school starts. Enjoy! Looky, it's crumbl cookie. Crumbl cookie for life. Crumbl cookie. Surprise! Wow.
I'm sorry.
Look it.
How do I save this?
First save it in chat and then I got you.
Thank you.
Guys, look what we got. What's this?
What's that?
What's this?
What's that?
Oh my gosh. We went to crumbl cookie and now we're gonna do a crumbl cookie review. Hold on. Oh, you ready? Alright. I want to open this box with you. This is such a special moment.
Okay.
Ready?
Put the phone down.
Open it with me. Open it on this side. Oh,
You have to show the camera.
oh yeah. Guys, this is our cookies. Oh my god, this is horrible lighting. You can't see it. But yeah. We got the cookies of the week. Which one are you excited to try the most?
I think this one.
Same. We're excited to try this one, the strawberry one. The strawberry one. Yeah, we're pointing at the same thing.
Yeah.
All right. So how are we gonna do this? You want to go in order, or do you want to go?
Let's go in order.
Okay. So we're gonna start with the mint chocolate chip. Oh, look, she did it. Oh my god. She loves me. She gave me the half of the thing on it. All right, ready? Cheers. 3, 2. Oh, wow, Kayla, already in your mouth? Okay.
I'm wasting no time.
I like it.
It's good.
8 out of 10. What's your rating?
I rated an 8. What's the next one?
This one. Let's pick it up.
I don't want to mess it up.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, wow.
Shit.
Kayla, this is why we don't pour it. All right, no, because I want to. Yep.
Okay.
So it's bigger. All right, ready?
Put this one down. We're actually.
Cheers.
This is nasty.
I like it.
This is so sweet. It's good though. It tastes like perfume.
I think I'm second-handing whatever you're on. I'm second-hand feeling whatever you're on.
You feel it?
I know what you mean,
Yeah.
but like that's such a weird thing to. There's a hair on this.
Where?
You're freaking kidding me. They're right here.
Just take it off and still eat it. I'm sorry.
Can't with you.
Oh my god, not a 10%
Since it
battery.
came out, like after. Yo, no, that's not okay.
I have cookie in my hair. I'm putting this one down. How would you rate it?
It's good, but it's not better than the one that we had. I give it a 7.
Give it a
7.
6. 6.
Because I'm gonna break this one. I think I could do it.
Okay.
Oh, and it's still warm too. Hold on.
It is?
Yeah, it's.
We have to show the camera.
This is a cinnamon toast crunch one. You get the bigger half. I don't really like cinnamon toast crunch like that.
Really?
So. Yeah, no. I used to eat it all the time, and then I got sick of it. 3, 2, 1. This, it's not bad, but it's not for me. Like, I'd eat it if it was given to me, but I wouldn't choose it. What's your favorite one, isn't it?
It's good, but it's really chewy.
Yeah, it is.
It's really chewy, but I like it. I'll give it a 7.
I'll also give it a 7. Or, no, I'm gonna give it a 6.9. Low-key done with this cookie.
Oh, cool.
They're spying on us!
That's actually so cool.
Why are they spying on us? They sent a helicopter over to spy. I think I could pay for a frappe at JP Licks. I'm not sure. All I know is I have enough money for something small. Really bad day to be broke. I had to beg my mom for money this morning. It was not it. All right, are we ready for this last one?
Yeah.
This most basic one. Oh, it's falling apart already. It's the semi-sweet chocolate chunk. Ooh. Calm little tear.
Oh, it is still warm.
It's still warm and it's chewy. It looks chewy. You chew on.
But it's like a regular cookie, so nothing special.
Anything special. Wouldn't order this though. I was low-key ducking this order because I knew it wasn't gonna be nothing special. Plus, I've had chocolate chip cookies all day.
Wow.
Quite literally.
I give it a 10 because I like chocolate chip cookies. But it's nothing special.
I give it a 6. I'm not a chocolate chip person anymore.
Anymore.
That's who I used to be. And then the chocolate chips, there was more chocolate chip than there was cookie. And that's exactly what this cookie looks like too. What do we rate this week's cookies?
Like a 7.5.
I'll do you one better. Actually, I only really liked half of the box.
Yeah.
I know you liked half
liked
of the box.
These two.
I liked this one and this one because they were cold. And they serve their purpose for ice cream flavors.
Yeah.
It was chill. Honor the ice creams well. Why would I say it like that? Honor the ice creams. They really honored the ice creams.
And they really did.
Alright, so what now?
Hello.
Hi guys. I'm skipping break of my favorite campers.
Yes. Oh, you
We're
playing
going
this? Oh.
We're going sailing.
I look so bad.
Oh, you don't. You look fine. We're sailing. I'm gonna be really careful when I hold my phone because I don't want it to fall. But look, whoosh, whee, whee, guys.
Oh my God, I hate that. That's the guy. I know.
Y'all can't be tipping the boat.
Y'all like tipping the boat.
Yeah, all right. So there's water in the boat now. This is not how I die, guys.
Literally, I would want to die any other way but on a boat.
I would like to die any other way.
Because if I take something, I see some type of shark come up and kill me. Like, I don't want to die from a shark attack.
No,
I don't want to die in the water because it's literally embarrassing. It's like
Exactly.
it's gonna give people the ick.
And I was a swimmer. That's going to be so embarrassing.
And then they'll probably never find your body.
I know how to swim. You were recording. Oh my God!
Wait, what?
You were recording that laugh? You were recording.
And she continues to laugh. Wow.
No! I thought the lighthouse would be taller.
We're kind
Because
of
it
big.
seems really tall. It seems kind of small. It feels tall. because I thought it started all the way from the bottom of the hill.
They should take us on a tour to go over there.
I genuinely think that they should take us to like group of campers to go explore the quote unquote abandoned places. I feel like that'd be fun.
Why would you say quote unquote?
I don't know.
Something in there.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. There
What
could
if
be
there's,
some
like,
homeless
people's
man living
blood
in there.
I've seen that in abandoned hospitals and abandoned
Oh
funerals.
my god. They probably cleaned it.
They did it.
I used the wrong word. I meant to say haunted, guys.
I mean, I think. What if there's a homeless person in there?
Oh my god.
That's what I was literally just saying.
How are they gonna get over here?
Like, what if they didn't know that they were taking off the boat?
Right.
Oh look.
That was the wrong person. Stinker poo.
Yeah.
They're not doing anything.
So why
They're
don't you
so
go
bad
back
at
to
it.
them?
Why are they fighting on the boat?
The other ones are mad out. I don't know where they're going.
Oh, they're getting real close, Abigail.
Oh, they're right there.
Water fight.
I like all my water bottles.
Oh no. What do they have against us?
I think they're just being boys, but that's just a stupid excuse. I think that's just excusing their stupid behavior.
Come on, you ready? Come here!
I'm recording.
Y'all are tipping the boat.
I will move over for the sake of it.
No! No, you want to keep that?
Yo, you're gonna fall in the water.
You come here! I can't control the boat!
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Really good.
Can someone go on the bow so...
Yeah, get the
Let's
action
start
going.
recording.
Yeah.
We used to
Because my storage got full.
We had that and it never worked. So one day a kid got something in his eyes
Oh.
and it didn't work.
Oh
I
no.
had like a bad experience with that wash thing.
Oh, got it. Yeah, that's one works for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, we haven't used it yet, but
Oh, that's cool.
yeah, it's now going to do 8%. So if you look at the filter, it should be very purple, and the water should be very, very clear. That's a sign that the filter is working very well. And what's going on?
This is so cool.
Voice guys.
Now, so how many? 5?
Yes.
When we attach the column to the end of the syringe.
Yep, you'll add that. To put it in there.
Alright.
Good.
It's pink, guys.
Yeah. That's
It's my favorite color, guys.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Nice. What's your favorite color when you first go? Yo, what's up?
I love pink, guys.
Great, we're going to the next one. We're at, which
go
one
like-
did you
you
just
go
do?
like this?
8?
Yeah,
Let me
number
a picture.
35.
Excuse me.
I'll do this one.
Oh man. Oh man.
Yeah, that's alcohol.
We should get a picture of me going like this.
Thumbnail? Yes. I want to do a dramatic thumbnail. Wait, Edward.
Great,
you want me to
guys.
do
It's
dramatic?
changing colors.
We're gonna do a dramatic thumbnail.
Oh, I need the thing. It's turning colors.
Oh.
It goes in here, right?
No. Wait. It goes in
The middle?
yeah.
It's dark right now. Or like purple. Some type of color. Oh, but it's blue.
Maroon.
That doesn't make any sense. I don't understand this.
It's purple.
Wait, what's the next one?
The next one. 70.
70?
You want to do 70?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right,
which ones have we done already so I can push them to the side?
Basically all of them.
We need to do inventories.
We did 70 again.
Alright, so you guys did 35, so now I gotta do 70.
So how much?
You need 5.
5 milliliters.
5.
5 milliliters.
Everything is 5.
Yeah.
And then, well, we can see if we placed it right or not.
So the background story inside is that we have a drug for multiple sclerosis. And this is the drug. We're doing quality control to make sure that what's inside here.
Got it? Alright, now you can add it into, where's the 8%? Right there.
8% right here.
Right there.
Why is it 8%? 70.
Wait, you're at 70? Oh, put 70 in there.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, it's blue.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I think I get it now.
It's blue.
Alright, what's next? We gotta do
I think it's stage
8%.
5.
You gotta do another 8%.
No, it's 70.
So slowly and carefully pass the 5 millimeter. Oh, that's what we just did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just gotta add 8%.
Oh, 8%.
Color should be captured in the column.
For me, it feels confusing.
We were supposed to do 8% twice and we didn't.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Oh, okay.
And then, alright, pass me the thing I put in the 8.
Oh, that's so cool, guys.
Oh, now it's clean.
Alright, guys.
No, it's like a little bit blue.
No, no, I'm talking about.
Alright, so let's look.
Hey guys! We're at the beach.
Yeah, it's cold as hell.
It is cold. But the water feels nice on my toes, guys.
Yeah, for real. You get used to it.
Yeah. We're seashell hunting. I found one! I found one! Wait, look at it!
No.
We're building a collection today.
No, literally. This is my one shell.
No. I found another one! Oh no. Oh. This one. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. No! No! I'm losing it!
Oh shit, I lost it. Oh, it's so big. What the heck?
Yeah, I know. Whoa! Hey man. Hey man, I'm about to go change into my bathing suit. Oh, that's cute.
How cute they are.
There's another one. It's our collection, guys. It's so cute. I love it.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Is he Quinn?
Oh yeah. Over there. Oh my god. So I want to go change into my bathing
Gabby?
suit.
Oh, it's not that bad. Wait, did Gabby come back in?
Used to it.
Well, Gabby and them is doing? Is
I
that
can't
Gabby?
do that shit.
Yo.
Until my boobs get cold and I can't do it no more, bro.
Right.
Is that correct?
All right, y'all. I just got like out of the water a little while ago, and my legs are so like covered in sand. It's not even funny. So I'm gonna dip my legs in the water.
The wire, one of the stalls in the bathroom is boarded up. Yeah, I thought there'd be showers too. I think there are. We just haven't found them yet. Ooh, what's this door?
Oh, it's the cleaning cabinet.
Bro, what the heck? I need to like, oh my gosh. Am I darker, guys? Do I look darker? I didn't put on any sunscreen. Cause I was an idiot and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna need it. sunscreen. But then it's like I got darker. Like I unintentionally got darker. My legs are like covered in sand. That's why I hate going to the beach. Yeah, I love it and I hate it at the same time because it's just like, it's the reality of it that I hate so much. Broken. Alright, so, oh my gosh, my clothes are so sandy. Oh, holy heck, man. My clothes are so sandy. Well, what's it dry to Guys, I'm a master of the quick change. I've never told you this, but I can quick change. Like, I was a theater kid, and we take opening night very seriously. There's always gonna be a slip up on opening night. Missing a cue is not one of them. I remember one time I missed a cue, and everybody was yelling at me backstage, and I started crying because I missed my whole cue because I was getting makeup. And like they were telling me, oh, you don't even need it. You don't even. I was told to go to makeup when I was finished. The heck? But yeah. I have so many like trashed clips. Like this month was not my month to vlog. Last month was my month to vlog for sure though. Ooh. Ew. Kind of having a loving my body moment right now. My bow got wet. I'm just realizing this. I fell in the water twice and my bow got wet. Wrong day to wear a bow, I guess. I can't wait to wash my hair. I'm gonna have to take it out anyway. But I just like, I need to wash it bad.
Oh, then you're gonna stop.
No. This is the camera.
Hi. No, my shirt's all wet. Cause I have like my
Master of the quick change. Yes? Because I could literally change here and nothing would be showing.
I cannot.
Wait.
I can do short, but I can't.
I need a dryer.
Being silly.
This is how I'm drying off, guys. This is not very conventional. Oh my lord, this is so embarrassing. Oh, it's crazy. I mean, but at the same time, it's like, really, who cares? Where's my pants? I have my underwear and I have my pants. I'm going to do my quick change trick. And another spot. Did I bring my extra shirt or no? No, I was supposed to bring my LA t-shirt just in case it's on my family.
I guess I have 3 shirts. I have this, my LA t-shirt.
Oh. That's nice.
This is like, I need to put it in the wash. I'm gonna look outside.
Okay.
Oh.
Remember that she's a betrayer.
Me? Betrayer.
Guys, I beat the beach. I beat it, guys. Like, I'm completely clean, as if I was never here.
You're good?
But like you're gonna know I'm here if you look inside my bag. On this side, wait, no, that's my clothes. On this side, I have 3 thingies of food. On this side, it's all my clothes and everything. I used everything in my bag at least once. And I brought 2 plastic bags, one for my food and one for my beach stuff. And my bag is not as sandy as I thought it was gonna be, so I did it.
Alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe.